Hey guys, it's me, Mish. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's take a look at the markets and wrap up our day. Wrap up. That didn't reach point 0.5, went up, but this spring is unvolumed. Even though it's like, but it's so formally 2 bar spring, so I wouldn't expect much out of it. Mhm. I don't know what to tell. I changed direction. It's doesn't make any sense. This thing also I didn't dare to take it from the hour. Technically, it's like 0.5 correction, boom, volume 2 on, volume 2 bar spring, but you see configuration is not good. So technically that was an entry. But considering, gosh, what's going on? I saw some people not like caring about the colors and doing like using one trade setup for like both long and shorts. Just in shorts, the green gonna be up, like the stop will gonna be green and take profit will be red. Maybe not a bad training for your, because it's so encrypted in us, like that red is bad and green is good. So it's not the bad training to unwind this habit. However, also we are creatures of habit, so I don't want to add to my mess what I'm saying. That's in point 0.5, but this like, yeah, context on daily, I think does not allow us to do any trades on hourly. And on 5 minutes, it's just a massacre. So yeah. UPS also went up. And also like, oh, by the way, I put the wrong level. I put green up for perforated levels. Um, but yeah, it's so, it kind of broke the range, widened the range in the morning, and ever since then, it's like, it's useless. Oh, what? I wrong. I closed the wrong tab, but I can close all of the tabs now. You know, this thing too, it went like this level and bounced up, but absolutely unvolving spring, so what a heck. Yeah. Let's see our day. Russell 2000 goes lower, the small caps. You know, the versus Dow Jones Industrial Average is within the range. Spice freaking out. Qs are going down. I should pay more attention to indices because I have 22-hour day futures on them. You know what I mean? The rotation point, of course, cannot go below the monthly level, but for this 0.5. Yep. So yeah, this too then. If we're getting more attentive to our indices, and that's where we are. Merrick. Pfizer is there. Close in the break. Yeah, I probably would have been better off. Not probably, but almost certainly I would have been better off capitalizing on Pfizer, not Tiro. I'm in Pfizer though for fraction, you know, for a fraction. Soon in March, I'll have to do something with my foods. Yeah, this guy dies. He just dies. And nothing supports it at all. It just goes down at this point. Sad story. So I can go like this, or maybe even lower, who knows? We're at 800 after more than halving. Maybe it will break it. Now we don't know. Took my chances and I lost. Uh, took my chances and I lost. Jennifer last game. Oh my gosh, that came out of my adolescence. Exploited. YK. That needs a test. And it's from like 170 to 140, so it's not like from 220 to 100. So good volume, everything, but needs a test, to say the very least. Bounces from 0.5 maybe. Yep. Yeah. Below 0.5. New transition extreme. Maybe we'll close below. Maybe we'll see. But needed a test. Was good to trade from here, but nothing. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. GA. Looks like it can drop. It's not the biggest volume. So we're waiting for test. Which might never can come. 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 You know, there is volume. It's kind of a trend, but it's a good place on monthly and yearly. Reversal and the level right now. That's a massacre. Nasdaq. Nasdaq, ICE, Zero are all at the same place. And you know what place I mean. And you know what place I mean. From 100 to 85, it's nothing yet, it's crumble. It's the drop is so violent though. I don't know why would we need this 0.5. Doesn't matter. And 1 bar reversal, rare case, don't have much trust in the 1 bar reversal. This volume is good though, as always. Was there any news or like what causes such sharp drops? Other than the fact that I loaded with the stock. Why else would it drop so violently? Yeah, so technically it was this. Mm. Arguably even a balance maybe. Bum bum. Nothing. Yeah, so it's right there, right at the level. Anything you might want from it, except for the volume. Except for the volume. Huh? What is there? But I mean, it makes all sense to be conservative after a drop like this. What's going on here? Yeah, the whole thing is weird. Microsoft goes lower. A good 1 bar candidate, 1 bar rule candidate for tomorrow. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow. Yeah. This thing finally gives us a freaking. That's how the automatic rally might look like, out of the blue, just because it can. Mm, yeah, wild. Um, hmm, it might break. We'll see about that in an hour or so. Also here, what are we waiting for? One bar reversal. What are you waiting for? One bar reversal is a sentence. We don't believe in one bar reversals. Gosh. And the similar should have been done to just to be consistent. Here, one bar reversal. We'll see about that. It's in 0.5 right now. Yeah, right here. Look at this. It's a good volume. Let's see how it ends up. Yeah. Yeah. It's no good. It's no good. And nothing here suggests a reversal. It's massive. It's a big volume. Not gonna lie to you. But okay, okay. Um Boom. One bar. The heck is going on here? Boom. It's closed in correction now. Is it? Yeah, also done. AKA stay away. And now we'll have to rechart it. Call it a correction. Call it a correction. So we needed to come here to 0.5 at least. So daily watch. It looks like it's gonna break. We got correction and on day, same deal, gotta come here. You gotta be cool, you gotta be 10, you gotta be dun, 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 dun. Was it Natalie Imbruglia? Is she Australian? I think she's Australian. Yeah, that was wrong. That was supposed to be red. Anyways, it's Daily Witch. Ooh, many things go in correction. UPAC feels like the same. Even if this bar is bullish, the one in between them, the aftermarket session, was definitely bearish. So, and volume distribution is not good. Yeah. Again, don't think anything here is good, particularly. Particularly. Yep. Okay. Target goes in correction. Goes in correction. Boom. Thermo Fisher Scientific Incorporated goes for it. Just goes for it. Yeah, it's gonna break in 5 minutes. I love science. Go science, go. I'm a big sporter. I'm a big sporter. HPK. That's now a test level. It's one bar. Turn around. Once we got the test level, forget about 0.5. So we'll be waiting for it to come to the test level and manipulate it. Yeah, this one, like, I don't think was a good idea. So after all this, probably gonna close below and break the level and reverse. This looks like it's gonna break. JP Morgan. Oracle. Can't stop falling. Just can't stop falling. This Oracle thing. You know, one volume after another. Call it the one bar rule. And it falls like this. Coinbase too. Look at the Coinbase. It just falls. Just can't stop falling. Just can't stop falling. Yeah, probably it's a break. Uh, looks like it's gonna close in correction. So daily watch. And this are our daily watches. Yeah, it went higher. Ice jumped up for whatever it means. It's not a short wave like this because it went back like 80%. Netflix. Yeah, we have just updated the yeah, this is bigger. Updated the extremum. We got the transition extreme on McDonald's. What a movie founder is. And Michael Keaton is so good in there. And who knew just the beginning? Then Birdman came out. This guy can't just stop playing ridiculously amazing roles. To be completely honest, I don't actually remember him as a Batman. It's not the part of my mythology. Sorry. It's not the part of my universe. I have no doubt he was great, but like aging well is a skill. And look wise, you cannot tell, like unlike Clooney or like Brad Pitt, you know. He's not that sweet in his aging process, but what a performance. You can't call it a character. He's charactery, but like, you know, character actor is almost like an insult at some point. Uh, he's just unbelievable. Just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. That's a break. This artist guy. Wait, why am I even looking at it? Just because it's in 0.5 arithmetically? This thing can go. This thing can go. Hmm. Uh, you gotta be calm, you gotta be this, you gotta be that. You gotta be everything but your own self. Pretend to be something. Na, 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 na. Meantime, we got an exhaustion volume, low key. Don't tell to anyone. Please don't tell to anyone. But low key, we got an exhaustion volume. High up there. But not critically high for. Yeah, the United Health didn't hold a notch. It can go. You take stock to 650. I'm sorry, then. You kill the CEO. I'm sorry. It's horrible of me to say that. And then you go to 100. Um, this is how it goes. I'm sorry. That's such a horrible thing to say. Uh, I don't think that's the case. It's just, it has room to go, is all I'm saying. It's a one bar rule. Now I'm contemplating what a horrible person I am to say that. It's a little bit too big volume wise. It's good for continuation of the trend. Oops. Sorry. Yeah. Tune. It's magic, you know, and you know it's magic. And it's this. X, yeah. Ooh, the volume. It's like a hyper volume, and then boom, a bigger volume comes in, and then boom, another bigger volume comes in. It's also relative. Don't be misled by like splash of volume, because next to it can be even a bigger splash of volume, and then another one, and another one, and another one. It was like a fairy tale, a Russian fairy tale. I really believe it's European, and they have like their variation, but yeah, about a girl who wants the forest and like to pick up the berries, and then she sings a song, and like she like takes one berry and puts it in her mouth, and then she sees another berry, and she already spots the next one, and that's how she gets like deep in the forest, lost. Is it Masha and the bear? I think it's Masha the bear, right? That's how she found this like bear. Oh my gosh, now I need to Google how do you call the bears? Uh, Not the cave, but like the hole in the ground where they live. Uh, bear log. Dan. Dan? Wow. What about Nora? The bear's Dan. That's so funny. When Google Translate cannot find the hold on. Mm. Uh, mm, CRM. Don't be misled. Oh no, be misled. It's our freaking um it's our freaking transition extreme. Shell PHP. Okay, that's just train wrecks it. Silver after this volume. Yeah, it's pretty much a sentence. Okay. That's all I've got for you for today. That's all I've got for today. IWM is something that I can continue on futures. Where are my futures? IWM is R. You know what? We have time. No, IWM is yeah, Russell 2000. Why does it look so? Why does my heart feel so good? Yeah, it doesn't look it. Doesn't actually look it. Let's go through indices for funsies. For funsies. Why does my soul feel so good? Do, 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 do. They look different. This is delayed. I don't know how to get ICE US stock exchange actual information. Soybeans are about to break. Oh, they're closed already. So they are breaking. So they're good in continuation of the trend. My speculation should like drift from to futures, says, just because they're smoother, they're easier to, they're not easier, but they're more comfortable to trade. You know what I mean? Can keep the position overnight very much. This is yeah, very disheartening. It's trend though, so no problem with that. It was a volume takeover, but then this came in. Very weird. Extremely weird. Kind of trend. It has some volume in it. S&P. You know? Okay. Nothing super crazy. Unvolumed spring. Boom. Done. 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 So yeah, nothing super exciting. And boom, it goes a little bit up and then it goes down. Of course you would. Spy. Yeah, I think that's it for me for today. Q's and Russell and small caps and Nasdaq are good for me to keep an eye on. Huh. Look at this. Dun. Got too enthusiastic on Pfizer and it goes down. Oh, my poor Tiro. My poor little Tiro got massacred by this uh, hawks. Vultures, but these vultures. These predators. My cute little Tiro got massacred. I had so much faith in it. I'm going crazy. Ten, 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 ten. Give me one bar. Roll easily. Easily. Looks like it's gonna be an upthrust after all. You man. But no good for D. No good for D. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't be sorry. Oh, that's a good sign of strength. Oh no, it's in reaction bar. I'm sorry. Not so good. Still, if it will be like 0.5, maybe not bad. Not bad. It's gonna close below. Tegeka is closed. Russian market is closed. Why do I like? It's kind of the longer I'll put it, the stronger it will become, kind of mentality, or why? What was it balance? Like dun 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 dun, and the lowest point of this balance is here. And it's broken now, so bye-bye. Da, da, it's American Pie. Da, 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 da. This is be the day that I die. This is be the day that I die. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hold on. Um, oh wow. I've been just asked for an acting reel. Mm, you like my work? Stop it. Am I blushing right now? I want to figure out how to blush on cue, you know what I mean? What a skill would that be? Like, stop it. No, I'm not ready. That's not my working side. Like a little blush on your cheeks, like, oh. I'm still at the very like early stages of my emotional intelligence, I'd say. Even after all these years, even after all the 13 years of acting, it's kind of like quite a lot. I still have very immature, naive levels of emotional intelligence. Uh, okay. I think it's enough for now. I'm gonna go. You guys take care.